going through a coaster step with you. So coaster step is made up of 3 steps. Generally, coaster steps go back, but you can also do turning coasters and forward coaster steps. It's 3 steps, and coaster steps generally are syncopated, meaning that the count is 1 and 2. Cha-cha-cha rhythm. So if we can go back either on the right or the left. So we're going back on the right, we come back onto the ball of the right foot and we step together with the ball of the left foot. So you're on both of the balls of your feet and you come forward ball flat on the right, ball flat. So you're stepping right, left, right, ready, and right, left, right. And you're coming back together forward, leading with your right, ready, and back together forward. Okay, so that's a coaster step leading with the right. If we do that again, back together forward, right, left, right, ready, and right, left, right. Now, by the same token, we can lead coming back on the left. So back together forward, ready, and back together forward. And again, ready, and left, right, left. And again, ready, and ball, ball, ball flat. So that's a coaster step going back. You could also have a forward coaster step. So if we're doing a forward coaster step, we're coming forward on the right, stepping forward together, back. And again, leading with the right, right, left, right. And you could also lead with the left, coming forward on the left, forward together, back. And again, ready, and left, right, left. Sometimes you also come across a coaster cross step. Instead of just coming back together forward, you will step back together cross. So if we're doing a coaster cross leading with the right, we're stepping back together and across with the right. So recapping that, coaster cross, back on the right, ready, and right, left, cross the right. And you could also do that leading with the left, of course, ready, and back together, cross. So that's called a coaster cross. If you're making a quarter turning coaster, sometimes affectionately known as a toaster for turning coaster. If you were turning to the left, you're leading with the left, you simply turn your head and shoulders a quarter turn to where you want to turn to. The footwork stays the same, back together, forward. And the same going the other way. If we wanted to turn a quarter turn to the right, simply look to the right with your head and shoulders, back together, forward. By turning your head and shoulders, the rest will follow. You don't need to change the footwork to make it a turning coaster.